We continue with the XRP. I had to stop the previous recording anyway. And if we refer to XRP a few times, I was keep mentioning that we can expect the price to retest the 40.41 cent, and this is what happened. That's why I mentioned as long as the price tag 40.41, then any reversal, any opportunity for buy from there, I will take it. And this is what we get. Now the question is whether this is the only correction and we can look for continuation or not. And as I explained, for the Bitcoin, we can expect, I mean, most of the chart they follow the Bitcoin, we can expect, that means we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. And with the next drop, if the price could break the 41, then we can expect the price to retest this low. That's why we need to be quite careful. But for me, as long as the price drop to below 41, then any opportunity, any trade, I will take it. Okay, that's why for those traders who get the trade for buy within this one, they should know how to manage trade. And mostly we have been looking to see the breakout of the 94 cent with the expectation for the all-time high. Anyway, at this point, I don't see any trades at all. I don't see any new information from the indicators. Whether we can consider this one as a correction relative to what we have here. Technically, I'm not really interested to look at the chart in this way. And that's mean if anyone wants to look for buy within this one, based on lower time frame, they should consider as a short-term trade. And based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to forward chart, any opportunity for, if anyone wants to look for buy, the only thing says either we put a warrant tree above here or here, somewhere around 60 cent. Okay. And simply we shouldn't take the trade. We can expect, because we can expect the price continue and drop as a corrective. And again, I'm not really interested to look for the trade at this point, even for the XRP. But again, for the XRP, as long as the price retests the 40 or 41, and the possibility for that one is very high, then any reversal, I will take it. This is where, I mean, the 40 or 41, this is where any price below the 41, this is where I'm really interested to take the trade. Okay. And if we move to AD, similar movement, the possibility for the price to retest somewhere around 24 cents is very high. And we have been looking to see the breakout of the 92 cent with the expectation for continuation. But at this point, we don't see any new information. Again, most of the chart or all the chart depends on the movement of the Bitcoin. And how deep this one can go, we can expect the price to retest the previous low. Then we don't need to look for any support. And the only thing is similar explanation. Now, any trade for buy here as a short term, we can, if we get, we can look for. But for me, I'm not really interested because the only option is to put the warrant tree above the top. And I mean, we don't see any trade setup. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we can expect for continuation, but I don't see any trade setup. And as long as the price didn't break it couldn't break the daily chart for the Bitcoin, any opportunity for buy for me, I will consider as a short-term trade. Okay, because we want to see whether the price can break at the top for continuation or at the low for the price to retest the previous low. This is where we have to be quite careful. And if we move to this chart, similar explanation. The possibility for the price to retest the previous low is very high. And the only thing is we have to look for the reversal, how deep this one can go. Then we don't need to refer to the fib. We can expect the price to retest the previous low. And we want to see the breakout of the 22 cent at least, because we have been looking to see the breakout of this zone with the expectation for continuation and the all-time high. That's mean at this point, if anyone wants to look for buy, we have to look for the reversal. Trade setup, I don't see any trade setup, and I prefer to wait. Again, the only option is to put the warrant tree above the top is not a really good idea. I'm not really interested, and I prefer to wait. Anyway, the way is moving is a sideways, so most of the chart. If we follow the chart, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.